Kubli Pibaro Shakatuk khubor jungi gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san minta ka sngi kilong, karpat ka kunhun kinong tre ka MEECL yo mintri rang ba ka Jylla banwat benya ikidaw ka jing ko tre kam ha MEECL ngat ars pa ngut na ki 6,000 sans pa lai pu prangut kinong demet hauk nyang HIV bat nakadaw ka klam COVID kat khandai duna ki bayo pang TB house nem arjar arpo. Mintangin pa shiki khubor bakam benya. Ka komiti badai pet ya kabha kamiat ki kinthei kalapin pawe ka jing sngo khia halor ka jing kin rei ki bayo yuk nyang jing pang HIV hapading kinong demet habakren chikinong pathai khubor menta ka sngi nyau tarik ka shong knor jong kani komiti ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalai thu badon hadu 6,000 sanspa lai pu prangut kinong demet ki bala register yela de bat ki NGO beper na peding jong kini ars pangut ki de ki bala yo yu new knyang bat ki dangdon hapading ka jing sha sumar ka bakham sngaus er ka long babun ne kini kinong demet kim pat dep test la ki don ne em yu new knyang.
Meghalaya is increasing very alarmingly. 5,000 plus cases of HIV/AIDS positive in the state of Meghalaya. So that is something which is very unfortunate. And we have had a detailed discussion with the entire departments of police as well as Department of Social Welfare on how we need to immediately address the issue of commercial sex workers. Why is that 3 out of every 1,000 pregnant women are actually testing positive for HIV. Now that again is a big shocker for all of us. And government has to now become aggressive in its redressal on this entire HIV/AIDS agenda.
Nakaliang uba shang pliang ubalong uway ni kidukot kani ka committee ulay thu ban nakaliang ka committee kilapha ikinong tre ka tanat social welfare ban penkre iki plan ban te lakam ye kani ka jinglong jingman ka bala ban kata ek imlang ka salang ula kerpat ru ibaro kinong demet bekin lej ban test yela de claim don kam ban siu haki hospital sarkar bat kwe ki jaka test balabu dakaba ula ben rap ba ka jingkar pa jungu ka long ban yarap yaki amban that ne ban penle ran yaki ula banjuru halor ka jingdon kam ban pinmi ik scheme sarkar ki bala ban yarap ban yalam byang yaki shakalenti ka bade.
The one-stop crisis in both the East Jante Hills, that is in Khubor, and in West Jante Hills, that is in Jylla, are not functioning in the right perspective. We expect that the one-stop crisis that have been set up with the assistance of the central government, wherein we have councillors, we have paramedics, we have the legal officers who have been placed in this one-stop crisis, would assist women who are in distress. Calls normally reach these one-stop crises, and such calls of distress, it could be a woman being beaten up by her husband, it could be a woman who is being followed, it could be a woman who has been stalked, it could be a woman involved in the domestic violence. So therefore, this woman could call up the call center, the one-stop crisis, and such victim would be given proper counseling and again refer the matter for the law enforcing agencies like the police to take over.
Katkum ka kaipot kibriyo bayo pang TB ha ka Jylla Meghalaya house nem arjar arpo ki don kumba 1,000 shispa saupo arngut ki bayo yakani ka jingpang na ki kinthei ka long saupo na ka shispa kat pa ki shinrang ki bayo yakani ka jingpang pat ki long reupo na ka shispa house nem arjar khat khandai ki don kumba 1,000 sauspa saupo arngut ki bayo lang ya ka TB bat HIV ki don shispa nriungut house nem arajar arpo shispa khat laingut but house nem arajar khat pra ki don shispa iwengut kitu ki briu ki bedi dawai TB ki yo sanspa tingka manlo banai bala ai ka sarkar kami kajing jung ki doctor ka long babun ki briu ki bayo pang TB ki claim di pendep yo dawai kat kumbala batha kat kum ka kai phot balayo lum house nem arjar arpho ki khamduna ki bri ke bayo pang TB namar ka khlam COVID kat khandai ke bayap na kajing pang TB man usnem ki poi kumbalai ne 100% kini ki bayap ru ki de ki bri ke bayo pang TB ki ba poi hadu ka last stage pat ki de ki bam di dawai tikna
ka status on ka TB po ka state of Meghalaya mata house nem arjar kat khandai jadi dan 1,000 sanspa ngut kinang pang TB kata kita ini new case but kita treatment case to the patientในhouse nem arjar arpo kila khanjar khanjar poisa ka 1,000 sispa saupuan kita total number of TB cases in the year 2020 kini ka daw ba kung san kadi pakasiar kani ka sem arjar arpo kala bandingan ta kani ka pandemic nama kumba step hi kala don ka lockdown di pun banai kala don restriction ru yakini ki nongpang bakini room ki hospital ki di nakaling jong kini ki district hi ki staff ki field staff ki ada kat bala hi bandai ki Shillong haka tu ko por pandemic ru haka por lockdown ru ki ada hi ban reach out ki jaga bagi ki haban pen kanang bagi beliau kinyo hi ya kata kajing sumar kumbagi di ai da bai ki sik de ke kali jong ki district TB officer ki pen poi hi da bai hadu jing jong kinong pang 88% ka kyore nta ni sik poi 87 88 86 87 88 kata ke 90
Tika kanu pesan pat kiba du no la jeng empat na kini kiba fifi.
Bakla ron ta 3% 3 to 4%.
Challenges kiba nang kong ete ga de jeng bam di dawai tikna no panjumi. Kata no panjumi ki sedang man shop no wi doktor sibina ki di hawai sibina ki di hawai kani ka penjanjano ka program naman ki wan ka wai pat ka por bo batang la sedang ki ba sibina ki no ay do wai ki nawasa si sen ngim so nang chu na ngim sedang ni ki inda kum ni ki ni jai no pang tina kata da long be don kam e no pa jungi ba one la diagnose ki pang TB ki ni ne be how tu doktor besubara kam tam me hakani program mal bagi dawai ki dong be e ti jingti dawai TB long ba Jylla ka ba du bana ki simpor til dangi di private ho ai la ban yo ki dawai ni private doctor ru re ki jing ru pada kolong ke ba kelak tak ke play ke kamai ke ji jung brio tila si da ka long kumtar ta ki la da ki no tang siteng por pada kani ke jing pang kanum koi na mar gi dum kam bandi hadu kum ban ru banai kum bade ban bu ting teng khampala e ka taru da ka jing pang ka pajem ting ban ka ba ka number 1 channel chat te ka ta hi ka ba ki nong pang jung gi ban long bandi ti kana gi da wai ada gidi di kena ya kemen biba injab ya kata thong ko ong ban in pindu jai TB dan pindu na TB harus nem arpo arpusan
Kinong tre ka MEECL hinne kasngi kila kerpat yu menteri rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma banwat benya e kidaw ki bapelong ya ka cooperation ban ngam jelop ha karam kasha ha ka jing pelip boarding bakha kha ka jing pentre kam ya smart meter ki jing bam tikna ka tulop kinong tre bat kiwe Habakren Chikilat Pathai Khubor o Vice President ka MEECL Employees Association and Unions o Arju Dakar ulayathu bakani ka kinhon kinong tre ka MEECL kiladet pha da ka jingtho sha menteri rangba ka Jylla banbu da ka kinhon balai lot ne ka Independent Inquiry Commission banwat benya e kidaw ki bapelong ya ka cooperation na kanong sam boarding sha kanong sha beram Uba Arju ulapan pau badai ban weng no shisendon yo menteri badai pet ya katanat boarding na kabenta ka jingbha jong kipat pa bat ka Jylla hi baro kawai.
So we want a thorough inquiry on this price escalation. Smart energy meters. We are never against the installation of smart energy meters. But the way it is being moved to install and the way loan was availed. When we have a central government PSUs, EESL, to install these meters free of cost, why do we need to take loans? And so many parameters are involved in the smart metering. So, we will request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this and also to go into the details of the smart metering. In Shillong, the loss is 10 to 11%. There are areas where the loss range from 30, 50, 70, 80%. So, we will request the Honorable Chief Minister to not be in a hurry to implement this smart metering. Let there be a proper public hearing. Let the public also know what is this smart meters all about.
Bat daki tuki khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tat haduk bangin desem biang kublai shibon.